Welcome to another Women and a Series with Nzetobo Sigwe Ezekolomuo. Now I want to discuss on Akalaka. Akalaka does ordinary open windows of heaven. Part 1. Akalaka. Okay. I think one of the most pervasive and corrosive thinking in the present day Onyibo is the mad quest for wealth. Egombute. That you have to do something to get money. You have to do something to get money. Maybe sacrifice or whatever. One ritual or the other to get money. Regrettably, most of the people who are joining back to Ordinana presently are doing so with the orientation that Ordinana will enhance their quest for wealth. That Ordinana will enhance their chances of success in their quest for wealth. The question they always fail to answer is there any religion, priest, dibia, that can actually change one's akalaka? Akalaka, destiny. Is there actually any religion? Is there actually any priest? Is there actually any dibia that can actually change one's akalaka? I want this to be a food for thought. Igbos, you say, our ancients, you say, dibia wachi ife niile, oya agwoni onataluchi. Dibia wachi ife niile, oya agwoni onataluchi. This means no dibia, no matter how powerful, can erase one's scorecard or destiny or karma. No dibia, no matter how powerful, can erase one's scorecard, karma, or destiny. That means you cannot improve or remove one's karma because of the law, reaping and sowing. One must reap what he or she sows. So it is important that our people, Ndibo, understand what is their akalaka before they start running helter-skelter, moving from one dibia house to another. It's important you do a kind of self-appraisal. Examine your life to know your akalaka. Nobody knows yourself better than yourself. We must understand that an unexamined life is a wasted life. We must endeavor to dedicate time into understanding who we are. No afa, no dibia can do this job better for you than yourself. You must learn to start telling yourself some home truth. I always say that any afa examination must start with self-examination. You now start looking for dibia or onye ya gbalaga afa. Igbos you say on you fake or where draw dibia on ya dibia or where draw afa. So some people do not even examine themselves before they start running around. You must do some self-examination, some self-appraisal. Understanding our akalaka will help us to reduce wasting our resources in the name of sacrifices. You must understand. If you are sacrificing, if you are making a sacrifice, you are making a sacrifice that is helping you in the journey that you are walking. Stop wasting resources when you don't understand yourself, when you don't know your akalaka. If there is no wealth in your akalaka, why waste resources that in your quest to acquire what can never be your portion? Also, if there is wealth, why waste resources pursuing what needs time, dedication, and discipline to come into manifestation? We must understand that for many DBIs who claim to open the doors of wealth, there are many doors they couldn't open for their clients. For every 10 Ọgwụ and will 20 aloha. For every 10 Ọgwụ and will 20 more, even 100 aloha. So at times it's on a 10 kg boost. No melucha. Then why couldn't the DBA do the other 100 that failed? Why? The answer is simple. No man, no mortal can open any door that has been shut by a nation. No mortal can open any door that has been shut by a nation. So you must understand your akalaka. It's very important. I don't like these people, this belief that ordinana, nation, ordinana means Ọgwụ and suspension of critical thinking. Ordinana can never take, Ọgwụ can never ever take the place of critical thinking. Ordinana sacrifices, it can never take the place of critical thinking. You must learn how to do critical thinking. It is important we wise up. It is important we wise up. If nature has created you small, be content with it and maximize whatever it has given you to the best of your ability. Everyone cannot be wealthy, no matter how we try. Inequality is an integral aspect of nature, and inequality is not injustice. We must understand that someone has something. We must understand that someone has something you lack does not mean that such person is better than you. That someone has something you lack does not mean that that person is better than you. Akalaka onye na abroad the same. We all have different akalaka, and you must work towards understanding your own akalaka and be the best in that. In a make a sacrifice or thanksgiving or asking, or now your forces to help you in your quest in fulfilling your own akalaka. And I don't even think that people should be asking for wealth. If you have wealth, it will manifest in whatever you are doing, no matter how little it is. If wealth is in you. I will stop here. There will be a part 2, a continuation of this video. Thank you.
If you love the video you just watched, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.